I made this mini T-Rex head just from cardboard. This was an awesome project. I hope you enjoyed. I started by getting all my supplies ready, and then got the templates for the build and started cutting them out. After which I got my cardboard ready and started gluing the pieces of paper to it. Make sure to stick around until I put all the pieces together. It really looks cool. After gluing the pieces to it, I started cutting them out. Then I glued on all of the pieces. After that, I strengthened them together with glue. Then I started on the other side. Again, strengthening it with glue. All the templates and instructions for this prop are based off a channel that I'm subscribed to called Epic Cardboard Props. So if you can, head over to his channel and subscribe to him. He has amazing content. Check out all his vids. I take no credit for the plans. According to instruction, I was supposed to cover the whole thing in toilet paper to make it stronger, but that ended up not working for me, so I decided to use paper towel roll instead. Next, it was time to make the eye sockets and eyes. Then I carved out the nostrils and added glue to make the designs. After that, I covered the whole thing in packing paper and glue. I then got some packing paper and made some additional designs. After that, I made the tongues. I then got some printer paper and started on the teeth. After making the teeth, I made some holes in the mouth for them to be fitted in. I then started adding the teeth. After which I made the base. I then added the head to the base. After fully attaching it, I then covered the whole thing in a glossy vanish. Here is the finished prop. Check the link in the description for his channel, and if you want to make this prop yourself, look for the video and he'll list all the things that you need along with the templates for this build. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.